You won't believe what happened when this family was having a picnic. This mom left her baby with his sisters to go inside and get some more food when a suspicious man slowly creeped up from behind. The sisters were busy playing and didn't notice while the baby was wandering alone on its own. However, this man was just trying to stop the baby from wandering onto the road. But just as he went to lift the baby and bring him back to safety to his sisters, the family dog came out of nowhere and jumped on the man to drag him down. The dog had detected danger and thought this man was a kidnapper. In anger, the dog even bit him to make sure that this person was taught a lesson. Who was in the wrong, the man or the dog?